Hi, this is Mr. J, and the next training section we're going to take you through is a contact manager. And this is a real backbone of the Rainmaker system, and the backbone of any business and any online business is your basically customer relationship manager, where you track all of your prospects, where you can communicate with your prospects effectively. And the brilliant thing about the Rainmaker system contact manager, it's very robust and it's very simple to use, and everything's tracked within a really small and compact portal. It's very easy to navigate. So let me first kind of run you through how to find the contact manager. So you can just go to the contact manager tab and click on contact manager. It's pretty straightforward. So just contact manager. Now up in the top left hand corner you can search by email or by a name, and then it will bring up the search results for your search topic. Down here, if you're an elite member, you can actually add new groups. So this is where you can add contact groups, and we're going to go into that a little later. That's just exclusively for our elite members. Now over here we can add a contact, and I'm going to show you how you can add a contact either by one, or you can actually upload a CSV file. So let me just click on that, and I'll show you exactly how to upload contacts. Now it's important that you do not spam people. So you know, if you have a contact list, if you have an email contact list or a contact list, make sure that they're not just spam, because if you are found to be spamming with the Rainmaker system, your account can actually be terminated. So very important there. We don't want to spam people. We want to give people good quality content and stuff that they actually want. So there's two different ways. You can add a contact, and we can see that down here. You can add their name, their email, their phone number. You can select the lead category. Our elite members have full access to create their own lead categories. Our basic members and free members will actually, and pre-enrollees will actually just have the warm market category, and they'll be classified as warm market, which means you have some relationship with those people. You can select the country and also the language. So then when the emails go out and the autoresponders go out, it'll be specifically to that language. Now, if you want to import a lot of contacts, you can actually use the CSV file that we have created. So the best thing you can do is to download the CSV file. You just click here, see the CSV file, you click the CSV file, and you'll get also email, phone number, and just the basic fields of the contacts that you're uploading. Now, if you don't have the country or the language, then just leave it blank, and obviously it will default to English, and then they can select their own language later on. So we can see here, once we've added all of the data to the CSV file, or we've made sure that the CSV file we have or the Excel file we have is already in the correct format, then we just simply choose the file, we upload it here, and click Add Subscriber. Then they're automatically uploaded to the Warm Market section. So that's a really simple way how you can upload a bunch of contacts really quickly, and then the Warm Market wizard and the viral email wizard will go out and send your email link and your replicated capture page to all of those contacts for you automatically with the click of a button. So that's a really cool feature. Let's go back to the main contact manager. So again, that's if you want to add a single contact, or you want to add a bunch of contacts from a CSV file to the Rainmaker system. So when you come into the general contact manager page, what you're going to see is your hottest prospects. So your hottest prospects are those people who have logged in the most times, those people who are watching the videos, those people who are looking at different pages within your Rainmaker system. So this will be your pre-enrollees who are giving most attention to opening the emails, to looking at your web pages and everything like that. So these are the people that you want to follow up with. Now there's a couple of important things here. We can see across the top we have a send email function, and just here there's usually a send SMS function. Now this is an SMS broadcast and also a send email broadcast. So what you can do is you can select, you know, one or two different contacts as long as they're personally enrolled by you. Then you can click on the send email. And what we can actually do is send an email to all of those people. For our elite members, our basic members, you can only send one email at a time. You can't do an email broadcast. And for our elite members, you don't want to be doing email broadcast or video email broadcast all of the time. It's something that you want to use on occasion, and you don't want to abuse, you know, sending people too many emails all of the time, because that can also substitute as spam, and people will unsubscribe them from your message list. So this is a really simple thing. You can add who it's from, so it will automatically populate your username, or you can add whatever name that you want to be from, and the email address will be coming from the Rainmaker system, but will have your personal name within that category. Here you can select the different messages that you've already sent in the past. You can add a subject. Now you can add HTML if you have some coding experience. You can add templates, or you can just type like a regular email. Hi Bob. and you can write your email. Now, down the bottom here, there's a couple of really cool functions. You can actually send an event invitation with the click of a button. So what you can do is you can check the event, you can check the details here. So we can see here, Rain Business Presentation. It's going to be in Chinese Simplified English. So we can go, okay, we want to send Bill along to that presentation, bang. Now also we can look at the resource library files, and these are all the resources. We can see the different files that are available for email. Now some emails, resources, or some resources will be available for sending via the email, but some won't. So here is the outline. We can see maybe we want to send them the Rain International overview plan, so we can attach that with a click of a button. And maybe we want to send them the Rainmaker affiliate overview so they can see both ways that they can generate income. So done. Now we've added an event invitation and also the compensation plan for the Rainmaker affiliate program and also the Rain International plan overview. Then also we can use mail merge code. So what the mail merge code is if, say for example, you're sending a broadcast message and it's not just to Bob, but it's to a bunch of different people. So instead of putting Bob, you can actually type, and I already know the codes, but you can find them downstairs, or underneath this video I should say, first name. So what that means is that everyone will receive the email with their personal name. So say for example you're sending it to Bob, Jane and Ella. Then it will say hi Bob, hi Jane, hi Ella in the first name, so F name. So we can see all of the different codes down here. You can see your sender. So this is from you. You can add your full name, your email, your online profile link, your phone number. And the receiver, we can put their first name or their full name. And then also you can add your sponsor, email, and lots of different things here as well. So that's a really simple way to be able to communicate with the click of a button and send, basically any type of message. You can also add images. You don't want to embed video into here because it won't show in most emails, but you can put images in that email. So we're going to go back to the main page, back to the Contact Manager. You can either click back in your browser or you can click on Contact Manager. So that gives you an idea of the functions for our elite members. Now the send SMS is also here, and that's a very simple process, or a very similar process to what we've just gone through with the send email, where you can send an SMS broadcast to an unlimited number of people. Now you have to have SMS credits in order to be able to send an SMS broadcast, and it'll prompt you to purchase an SMS credits pack. So if you want to grab a SMS marketing package, you can actually go to the marketing tab, Fast Start Marketing Packages, and then you'll see all of the different SMS packages from 100 SMSs right up to 5,000 SMSs, depending on the size of your business and how fast that you want to communicate with your people. So now let's take a look at the basic Contact Manager. You see a couple of fields: the name, the country, the phone, and the notes. And the reason why we have the country is because then we know where they are. So we see from Australia, Indonesia, Malaysia. Lots of different countries here. The phone number, so we can connect to them. Now also we have notes. So here we can actually type notes in. So if we know different things about the person, maybe we've spoken to them or they're interested, they've sent us an email about different things, we can type notes here, and we can save those notes. Maybe Tim loves the online system. Done. So then we can save that note. Then we can come back to that and we know previous items that were spoken about with Tim or that we know about Tim. So it's a really good way to keep a contact manager and contact notes with all of your different contacts in your contact manager. So also if we click on, let's click on here, we can see if they've added an image, it's going to show their image. It's going to give their email, their country, their language, their rank, so it's Rain Associate, their phone number. Also any trainings they've completed, it's going to have a tick and it's going to show you the trainings that they've completed through the Rainmaker Training Vault, so you can keep up to date on what training people have done. You can add notes again, so say if you want to call them, you can add notes while you're actually talking to them on the phone, and also it will show the contact activity. So now we can send a SMS by just clicking on the SMS icon, so we can actually send a specific SMS to that person. It's already preloaded with their individual number. We can send the message here, and it's going to tell us how many credits here and how many different characters. So we could say, hi Tim, great to see you last night. Check out this great new video. Done. And then you can send them a link to a video or anything like that. It's a really good way to communicate with your prospects. You can also send out invitations to meetings and lots of different things. You can broadcast news through your group, through your customers. You can do promotions and lots of different things. So you can also do a group SMS broadcast. So here you basically create the groups through the contact manager, and then, which we're going to show you with the add new group, and then you can send out SMS broadcasts to unlimited number of people as well. And remember, for this you need SMS credits. So let's click on back. And remember, the SMS broadcast is for elite members only. If you're just a basic member, then you can actually send a single SMS as long as you've got SMS credits in your bank. You can also send a single email if you're a basic member. If you're a elite member, remember, you can send the email broadcast. And this funky little button here, this telephone, is actually the dial session. So let's take a look at what happens when we click that. We can see here all of the contact information. Here will be the image if they've added an image, but this person hasn't added an image. Now select call script. It's actually going to give us the call scripts for pre-enrollee or a new upgrade. So it gives you a step-by-step guide of what to say, how to say it, and the information out. Let's take, for example, a pre-enrollee call script to call your pre-enrollees. So here it gives you the details. It gives you an outline of what you can say if they say yes or different or no to different questions, and really can help you streamline and get the maximum closing ratio or the maximum leverage and maximum effect out of the Rainmaker system. So if you don't know what to say, no problem. Because the most powerful thing that you need to do when you have a new pre-enrollee that comes through, the most powerful thing that you can do when you get the new notification in your email that you have a new pre-enrollee is call them as soon as possible. So if you get the notification on your phone through one of the SMS messages, notifications, or if you get it through email, jump online, jump on your contact manager and call them. If you're on your cell phone, I mean, you can just call them straight away. You can download this script, get familiar with this script. It's a very simple script, and it's designed for three main things. Get to know your new pre-enrollee first and foremost. Know their goals and also their potential as your business partner. And the third and most important is to show them there's a real person behind the system. So that script is going to enable you to do that. And it's really simple. Down here again, you can type notes. And down here you can see all of the training videos that this person has completed. There's no training videos here at the moment because they haven't completed anything. They're a brand new pre-enrollee. And also you'll be able to see the contact activity of which capture page they joined through, which pages they're looking at online, and lots of different activity, what videos they've watched. So you'll be able to tell exactly what your prospects are looking at. So when you call them and when you communicate with them, you know exactly what they've looked at and you know what to talk to them about. So that's a really powerful feature of the Rainmaker Contact Manager. So to minimize that, we just click that again. So here we can see the system groups, the hottest prospects, which is what we're looking at right now. We can see our warm market leads, which is our warm market wizard. Your power team, you can see your power team, your upgraded members, your personally sponsored members, and also your co-op leads. Now your co-op leads are the lead programs that are run through the marketing, fast track marketing packages. You can actually buy into a co-op and you can have one of our expert teams do all of the SEO, do all of the Facebook ads, the Google ads, and generate traffic and pre-enrollees directly to your contact manager. So this is where you'll be able to view any of those leads for those people who actually purchase one of the lead co-op programs. And to purchase one of those, you just go to marketing, fast start marketing packages, and you can have a look at the different packages in there. That's also the same place where you can purchase the SMS credits to send out SMS broadcasts and SMS messages to all of your different contacts. So down here we can see the added contact groups. Now this is a feature just for our elite members. They can actually add a new group. So when you click add a new group, it takes you to the next page where you can do a date range of different prospects. So say, for example, you want to do people who have joined in the last month, or maybe new pre-enrollees in the last month. You can do that. You can search by name, email, phone number. You can do by language, city, category. You can also do by country. So you can choose which country. And another really cool feature is you can select via rank. So that is, in a nutshell, the contact manager. It's a very, very robust and fully functional contact suite, and it's going to enable you to view, track, and also help you to step you through the contact process so that you know exactly where your prospect is at and the next step that you need to take them.